From this video, you will get tips to prepare for D-CIS-FN-01 Dell Cloud Infrastructure and Services Foundations V2. What is D-CIS-FN-01 Dell Cloud Infrastructure and Services Foundations V2? Certification requirements. Understand exam topics. Effective study tips. One. What term refers to businesses that cautiously and gradually embrace digital transformation? A. Digital laggards. B. Digital evaluators. C. Digital leaders. D. Digital adopters. Answer: B. 2. Which cloud service objective determines the privileges that a user has to access a particular service or a resource in a cloud computing environment? A. Confidentiality. B. Accounting. C. Authentication. D. Authorization. Answer: D. 3. What is a key function of the cloud service component? A. Allows consumers to create service offerings for a service catalog. B. Enables service providers to request the purchase of new IT resources. C. Presents cloud infrastructure for use of services by consumers. D. Allows consumers to modify the existing service offerings in a service catalog. Answer: A. 4. What activity is performed during the service planning phase of the cloud service lifecycle? A. Discovering service assets. B. Defining service offering. C. Developing service enablement roadmap. D. Defining orchestration workflow. Answer: C. 5. What benefit is provided by the business continuity process in a cloud? A. Helps to reduce the IT budget. B. Helps to meet the required service availability. C. Enables meeting the required service performance. D. Enables the transformation from CapEx to OpEx. Answer: B. 6. Which two are key requirements for fault tolerance? A. Document SPOF and fault elimination. B. Fault isolation and eliminate SPOF. C. Network isolation and eliminate SPOF. D. RAID storage and fault isolation. Answer: B. 7. What is the objective of integrity in information security? A. Ensure timely and reliable access to resources. B. Ensure secrecy of stored information. C. Ensure data protection against unauthorized alterations. D. Ensure users are responsible for actions executed. Answer: C. 8. A cloud provider installs a virtual firewall on a hypervisor to reduce the scope of a security breach when there is already a network-based firewall deployed in the cloud environment. Which strategy did the cloud provider use to mitigate the risk of security threats? A. Trusted computing base. B. Defense in-depth. C. Information assurance framework. D. Adaptive security. Answer: B. 9. Which cloud security control mechanism monitors activity using video surveillance cameras and detects unusual activities using sensors and alarms? A. Administrative control. B. Technical control. C. Corrective control. D. Physical control. Answer: D. 10. What is a characteristic of cloud service management? A. Adopting automation and workflow orchestration. B. Enabling IT asset-specific management. C. Separating management processes from service design. D. Abstracting cloud service requirements and SLA. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.